The future of robotics and AI.
Hey everyone, and welcome to the channel. Today, we're diving headfirst into a fascinating topic: the future of robotics and artificial intelligence. Buckle up, because things are about to get wild. What's happening now?
Let's start with where we are right now. We've seen incredible advancements in both AI and robotics. AI is powering everything from facial recognition software to self-driving cars. Robots are working alongside humans in factories, performing surgery, and even exploring Mars.
The potential impact of these fields is mind-blowing. Imagine robots handling dangerous or repetitive tasks, freeing humans for more creative and strategic work. AI could revolutionize healthcare with faster diagnoses and personalized treatment plans. The race for AI and robotics innovation is heating up. Tech giants like Google, Amazon, and Tesla are pouring resources into developing smarter and more capable machines. Companies like Boston Dynamics are creating robots with incredible agility and dexterity.
But with all this excitement, there are also concerns. Will robots take our jobs? Will AI become too powerful?
It's important to remember that AI and robots are tools. How we use them will determine their impact. We need to focus on developing AI ethically and ensuring that robots complement, not replace, human workers. The future of robotics and AI is uncertain, but one thing's for sure: it's going to be exciting.
We'll likely see even more sophisticated robots and ever smarter AI.
The key is to be prepared for this new world and ensure it benefits all of humanity.
What do you think the future holds for AI and robotics? Let's keep the conversation going in the comments below.
Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more tech content.
Thanks for joining me on this exploration of the future.
Until next time, stay curious.